In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a zoom effect for your video. Okay, so you can create a zoom in or zoom out effect for your video easily with Filmora 11. Okay, so this is my Filmora 11 example project. So let's delete everything on the timeline. So first thing, we need a video on the timeline, right? So I'm going to use a stock media. Let's say I have this footage of a man walking in the forest. So I'm going to drag and drop it onto the timeline. Okay, and this is a video. Okay, so this is just a static shot, so there's no zoom effect in this video. So first thing, I want to create an opening effect for this video. So what I'm going to do is to select the effect tab right here, and then we need to find the opening folder. It will be here, and there are many opening effects right here. So I'm going to select this one, just drag and drop it at the beginning of the clip, and we have this opening effect, and we need a closing effect also. So just do the same, just drag and drop the closing effect to the video, and we have this one. Alright, so the next thing, we want to create a zoom effect. So what I'm going to use is the animation keyframe in Filmora 11, and being mentioned that this is a premium feature in Filmora 11, meaning that free user can only use this feature for 3 days, and after that you need to purchase a license to continue using it. And if you want to purchase a license, don't forget to use my 20% discount coupon code in the description to save your money. Okay, so the first one, I want to click here to add a keyframe. Okay, so at this position, and now I want to scale up my video so that I can create a zoom in effect. Here at this keyframe, I'm going to scale it to 190% and press enter. Okay, so this is the first keyframe, and now I want to move my playhead about 3 frames or 4 frames forward, and then I'm going to reset the scale. That is to create a zoom effect for my video. Okay, so let's play it. Very nice, right? At this position, I want to zoom back the video. So I'm going to add another keyframe right here, and then I'm going to move my playhead about 3 frames forward, and then I set my scale back to 190. Okay, so this is a zoom in and zoom out effect for my video easily with just some keyframe. Okay, let's play. Very nice, right? And what if I want to create a slow zoom effect for my video? And it is also very easy. All you need to do is to extend the distance of the keyframe on your video. Okay, for example, here I'm going to add another keyframe, and now I will move my playhead to about a few seconds here, and then I'm going to reset the scale. And by doing that, we have a long distance here between 2 keyframes. So we have a slow zoom effect. Let's play this one. Okay, so that is how to create a zoom effect for your video. By the way, you have another option, is a crop tool in Filmora 11, and if you want to use it, it's okay. For example, let's close this one, and I'm going to drag and drop another image here on the timeline. And for this image, if I want to create a pan and zoom or zoom in or zoom out effect like this, all I need to do is to select the image right here, and then I'm going to select the crop tool here. So at the crop tool, you will have a pan and zoom option. So this is pan and zoom, so you have 2 rectangular boxes here. The first one is the end point, and this is the start point. You can adjust the start and end point to create a zoom effect. For example, I can move this one, this start point to here, and adjust the end point. By the way, you need to select the aspect ratio here according to your project. Okay, so we can select 16:9, and now we can preview the effect. It will look like this, something. Alright, so that is 2 simple ways to create a zoom effect for your video in Filmora 11. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.